Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to discuss a very important feature, that how we can create beautiful looking subtitles for our videos. You can create subtitles for your videos very easily in Filmora 13 using AI, which is its new feature. If you have not downloaded Filmora 13, so download it and install it. You will enjoy it, having its different looking features. For example, if you have a video on your timeline, this is my video. First of all,
the range is from -1 into 2 raised to power 128
this is the
to
video
-1.0
without subtitles. So click on this video, and here first of all you need to click on speech to text. Speech to text, when you click on it, you need to select the language to be translated to. The language is English UK, and you can select the file to be converted to a clip section or the entire timeline. Here you can also select the SRT or the titles. So I am selecting SRT, and this is the only clip I want to select, this one. So click on OK. It will take some time and it will translate it. It is now being translated into text. My speech is being converted into text. This is a, I think, approximately 4-minute video. So it is now converted. So click on it. You have a translated clip here. This is the clip that I have used for translation. So first of all, you need to click on it and click on Advanced Edit. You can also click on it. You can also select Advanced Click by clicking it and click on Advanced here. So I want to click on it, then click on Advanced Edit. Then different options will appear. First of all, you need to select your text. This is your text, and you can change anything in it. If you want to have something not translated correctly, you can correct it, and after correction you need to change the thing. I have already created this kind of translation, so I will try to edit it again. First of all, you need to select a clip and then click on preset. Here you can change the text with its background. This is in this way. You can select any kind of text that you want. This is, for example, my text, and first this is the text which is applied to the one clip only that you can see in highlight. But when you click on apply to all, it will be applied to the all video clips. So you can see that it has been applied to the whole video. Then you need to go to customize, and here you can change everything. For example, you can change the gradient fill. This is the gradient fill. You need to select. You can see that this is the gradient fill. Click on it. Color fill, for example, if you want to select this kind of color, I want to change it. This is the color of your text. So my text color has been changed. Color fill is for your text color. You can change its opacity from lower to higher. I have selected it to the higher. This is the outline. This is the outline of my text. You can change its color too. For example, if you want to change the color to red, then you can see that the red color is now selected. You can change its opacity. You can increase or decrease its thickness too. For example, I want to select this is my outline. When you apply to a whole section, this thing will be changed. And then here is the outline. Its color is this one. If you want to change, then its color is now changed. You can select color, and you can see the color is changing. For example, if you want to select this color and this color too here, so I have selected it. Then finally comes to the shadow. You can also create the shadow of your text based on color. This is the color for shadow. You can change the color according to your shadow, and then you can also select here the text with different colors, with different shapes, different types. And here is the background, which is very important thing. I have select gradient. You can change its color, and when you click on it, color fill, here you can change the color, required color. For example, I want to select the black color. Then you can see that the black color is selected here. When you click on apply to all, then this thing will be applied to the whole video. In this way you can change settings, and you can also change the animation of your text. For example, you can select one thing, then you can see that animation is changed. When you select another preset, you can see that its text is changed again. So for this purpose, you need to have internet in your PC or in your laptop, because this feature does not work without internet, because this Filmora 13 downloads it. So I have selected this one, and then this select apply to all. So this feature will be applied to the all clips. You can also create a preset for your future usage. For example, save as a preset. This is my preset 3, and click on OK. This will be saved for your other videos too. So click on save, and you can see that your text has been written with the subtitles. For example, if you play
specified
see that.
also. For example, H1234. When specifying disk data,
You can see that. You can also change the size of your text according to your choice. For example, you can move it from one point to the other point, from one position to the other position, and you can also select the relevant clip and also change its size too, and you can increase or decrease its size by selecting this clip like this. For example, you want to select this one and change its position, then in this way you can change its size too. So this is very important feature. After completion of all the settings, you can export this video with subtitles, and these subtitles are visible and written on your videos with your required preset. So this is the advanced feature in Filmora 13. You need to use it for your videos which look very beautiful, fascinating and gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching this video.